Hey friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I am unboxing my August wellness box from Young Living. I'm always excited for a Young Living order, but I haven't been this excited in quite a while. The main thing is because I bought a new diffuser. They had their annual convention a few weeks ago in which they released a bunch of new products. And I got Norma, my, how old is she? 6-month-old, 5-month-old, a diffuser for her nursery. It's an owl. We have kind of a forest and friends theme going on in her nursery, so that was perfect. What sold me over is it is not only a diffuser, but also a nightlight, and even more important for me, a sound machine. We don't have a sound machine for her nursery yet, and so I thought, oh my goodness, trifecta. She is still sleeping in our room, but I think we're gonna move her over to her crib next month, and so this just came at the perfect time. And I saw on someone's Instagram page, someone on Etsy is selling like eyelash decals to put on the owl, and I totally might buy those because I think that is so cute. And to turn it on and off, I think you just push on his little talons. Is that what it's called? I'm so excited. Northern Lights Black Spruce is one of my favorites. I have it diffusing right now in my diffusing necklace. I would say it's my top 3 favorite scented oils. It smells like you're in a magical forest in Europe. I don't know, in Canada. It's just everything, and it is so calming. If you didn't know, I'll put the link below. I sell like anxiety calming roller blends on Etsy, and this is one of the main ingredients along with frankincense, so really like high priced oils. And this oil has a really high frequency, which is really awesome. I ordered a 15 ml of lavender. I've been running low on lavender, which is so stressful. I use lavender every day for diffusing. It's really good to diffuse in blends. I feel like it pairs well with a lot of oils. It is calming. I put them on our wool dryer balls for dryer sheets instead of dryer sheets. And what else? A lot of skin support. So I was, again, really stressed. And I also got a 5 ml, which I do not remember ordering, so I don't know if this was a promotion that I forgot about, or maybe it comes with a diffuser. I'm gonna have to research, but maybe I just got lucky and got an extra 5 ml of lavender. This was a promotion, Citrus Fresh, and it came at a really great time because I'm also running low on this one. This is a blend of citrus oils, orange peel, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and then spearmint leaf extract adds that kind of minty undertones. And this is really awesome to diffuse. It also comes in the Vitality blend, which you could put in your sparkling water, and it is so good. I also was running low on lemon. And again, it is just stressful when you're running low on such basic oils, but I love to diffuse this. I add some to my Thieves Cleaner. It's great for cleaning. It's energizing. This also comes in the Vitality line, and I will put that in my sparkling water. And you just need lemon in your life. Lastly, I'm really excited about this. It is Dill Vitality. I am obsessed with cooking with dill right now, and I thought this would be so good to have, especially on hand in the winter when fresh herbs aren't as available and maybe they don't taste the same as they do in the summer. So I'm excited to add this to like tuna fish salads and just all the different things you can do. And I'm sure there's a lot of medicinal uses as well. I think I read it's anti-inflammatory. Oh my goodness, I love dill. It is really good. I feel like dill is a polarizing herb, so comment below if you are pro or nay on the dill. Coincidentally, parsley is my all-time favorite herb, and when I ordered this, I was wishing, why don't they have a parsley oil? And literally 2 days ago, they just announced some new products, and parsley, cilantro, and coriander are the new Vitality blends, and I am totally gonna get that parsley because I could eat a salad with just parsley leaves. I love it so much. So that is everything. I cannot wait to set up this little precious owl in baby Norma's room. She is going to love it, and I will diffuse some lavender and some sleep eyes and just help her with her sleep support, while also providing a nightlight and a sound machine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to take care, Mama. Bye, guys.